Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's On. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. In today's video, we are going to do a chicken parmesan AIP style. I hope that you like this as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Okay everyone, we are back with a taste test of the chicken parmesan. I'll show you sort of what it looks like. Whoops, without dropping it off the plate. Okay, so let's just try it. I don't know if you probably can't hear that, but it's kind of crunchy, the underneath part. I'll show you kind of how it looks. That's good. Because you fry the meat, it actually, if you fry it at the right temperature, it stays nice and moist on the inside, crunchy on the outside. And then the tomato sauce is just the right amount of sort of tanginess, and the cheese just gives it a nice little melty feeling. So this is really good. I like this a lot. I would recommend this one. You can always add more cheese, less cheese, more sauce, less sauce, if, you know, depending on your individual taste. You can also do this with pork. It's quite yummy with pork instead of with turkey or chicken. If you're going to do it with chicken, I recommend you use ground dark meat if possible. Otherwise, I would use turkey just because it's a little fattier, and so it stays a little, the meat stays a little moister. It doesn't dry out as much. But we also love this with pork. So I hope that you like this as much as we do. We'll see you in the next video.